well, that is not fair. I asked to go last. I did ask because of nervous. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amanda O. Mathe. I'd just like to know, how many of you carry phones? Right. How many of you are on Facebook? Twitter? Instagram? Okay. So I take it that 100% of all of you are all on these social media platforms. Right. I am a social media marketer. I provide training and management of social media for small businesses, startups. I train you in how to target your audience into finding leads. That basically means knowing who to write for, knowing how to find them, and knowing how to get them to buy your product. With this training, I equip you with the skills on how to target them. I equip you with which targets in terms of platforms. So for example, if your audience is youthful, and we're looking at 18-year-olds, they are probably on Mixit or Facebook. And I teach you how to write for them, how to target them, what to say to them, and how to get them to buy your product specifically. With that training, I equip you to manage it on your own. I'm all about giving you the education and the knowledge to do it for yourself and not have to rely on someone else. The question most people ask is, how am I going to make my money? Well, it's quite simple. It's return on investments. So when someone comes knocking on your door simply because you had a great Facebook page, a great Twitter account, that's when we make money, because they buy directly from you. Thank you.